If you've been feeling run down, foggy, or just not quite like yourself lately, there's a reason. Your body is likely burdened by toxins that build up from everyday exposure, from food, air, water, and more. And when your detox pathways aren't fully supported, those toxins start to weigh your system down. That's why I often recommend the Cellcore Detox Support Kit, a gentle but powerful protocol designed to help your body reset from the inside out. This kit includes 4 key formulas that work together to support your body's natural detox pathways, promote a healthy gut microbiome, and boost energy, clarity, and resilience. What I love most about this kit is that it doesn't force a detox. It supports the body to do what it's naturally designed to do. I've used it personally and with clients who have felt stuck, tired, or inflamed, and time after time I see improvements in energy, digestion, skin, and overall well-being. If you're ready to clear out what's not serving you and give your body the reset it's been asking for, this is a great place to start. And if you're not sure if this protocol is the right fit, book a free 15-minute consult and we'll talk about what's going on and figure out the best next step for your healing journey.